Welcome to our next session English lesson for Bob and the bathtub. Bob and the bathtub. Part 1. Textbook pages 40 to 43. 41, 42, 43. We can see children the textbook. See the lessons heading Bob and the bathtub. What can you see there, children? It's a bathroom and one boy is in the bathtub and he is enjoying there. Okay. So here starter kit is there. Do you have a bathtub in your bathroom? We can see some pictures there. Do you have a bathtub in your bathroom? Okay. Name some of the things you have in your bathroom. Here you can see some things. Do you have the ones shown here? Also say what we use them for. Here we can see many things that is in the bathroom. What are the children? Toothpaste, toothbrush, mirror, towel, wash basin, tap, soap box and soap. Toothbrush and toothpaste we will use for brushing our teeth. Soap we will clean our body. Wash basin we are using for water and mirror looking our image and towel for wipe our hands, okay, or our body. These are the introduction about the lesson, children. Now we will come to the textbook. Okay. The story starts. My little brother Bob is 3 years old. What is the boy's name? Bob. 3 years old. Bob has 3 years old. So a small boy. Okay. Then he loves everybody and everything. He loves everybody and everything. So we will pamper him. Small kids are there in our house. We will laugh and we will enjoy with him and we will interest to play him. Okay. And everybody loves him and everyone enjoyed with him also. Okay, children. Then, but what he likes best is the bathtub. What he likes the most, children? The Bob. He likes the bathtub. Everyone are even parents and siblings. His sister also loves and likes him, but he loves the most that is a bathtub. Okay. Then Bob doesn't care if the bathtub is full of empty. If he is not caring at all, he is not a matter to the Bob what if the bathtub is empty or full of. If the water is there or not, he won't bother about it. He would be in long time in the bathtub. Then next page, children, page number 41. See the picture, children. You can see the picture also. Page number 40. Page number 40. He is in the bathtub. So always he is interested to be in the bathtub. Then the next page also we can see a picture. Page number 41. He is enjoying. He is enjoying in the bathtub. So full of water is there and bubbles also there. He is enjoying in the bathtub. We will go to the test. Every morning mom gives Bob a bath. Every day we are taking the bath. Same way his mother gives a bath to him. Okay. Bob likes staying in the bathtub. He interested to be in the bathtub always. He is likes to staying in the bathtub. He doesn't want to come out from the bathtub. Okay. He doesn't want to come out. He doesn't want to come out. He interested to be in the bathtub always. Then mom has to pull him out of the tub. Mommy has lot of work. She doesn't get the time. She won't get the time to enjoy or spend much time with him. So that's why she pull out him from the bathtub. Okay. Bob starts crying. Why he is crying? He is crying. Why? He needs to be in the bathtub. He wants to be lot of time or most much time in the bathtub. He doesn't want to come out from the bathtub. Okay. Mummy is compelling to come out. Bob, you have been in the tub for an hour. See, here you have been. You have been means continuously. Continue. You have been continuously. You are in the bathtub from an hour. So half an hour. See, for an hour. From 1 hour onwards, he was be in the bathtub. Then says mom, now put on your clothes and drink your milk. Mummy needs to come out from the bathtub, and what is she saying? You come out from Bob, you come out from the bathtub and put on your clothes and drink your milk. Isn't it? Then what is his reply, children? No, cries Bob. He doesn't want to come out from the bathtub. He said, what did he reply? No, I won't come. No clothes, no milk, no vanna, say there. What is he saying? I don't want the clothes and I don't want the milk also. Vanna means, in words, vanna means want to. He want to be in the bathtub. How long he was staying there? 1 hour. From an hour, he was in the bathtub. He wants to be continuously. Then mommy said to come out from the bathtub and put your clothes and drink the milk. He is replying that I don't want anything. I want to be in the bathtub. Then he climbs in and starts playing with him. He plays until we make him get out. So we have to keep the bathroom shut door. Long time he wants to be and play in the bathtub. He doesn't want to come out from the bathtub. Then what they do? Say they shut the door. Always want to close the door. Then next page number 42. What they will do, children? Next is, yesterday Bob gave me a big shock. What happened? Big shock. Bob gave them a big shock. What was the shock? We'll see, children. Here, I filled the tub with water and bubble bath. Bubble bath. How will get the bubble, children? With the mixing the soap and water. We will get the bubbles. Okay. I filled the tub with water and bubble bath. It was full of water. Before I go to the tub, the telephone rang. What happened? The sister or brother, before going to bath, they filled the bathtub with bubbles. Bubble bath. That means with soap or something and full of water also. Then what happened? Immediately the telephone rang. They went to lift the phone. I shut the bathroom door and went to pick up the phone. Suddenly where did they go? He was in the bathroom only and she closed the door and she went to lift the phone. A minute later, when I came back, the bathroom door was open. The door was closed. But a little time later, after the talking in the telephone, then she came back to the bathroom. What happened? The door was open. Before she closed the door was opened. Who opened, children? Bob. Bob was in the tub with all his clothes on. What happened? See the picture, children? Bob was in the tub with all his clothes on. He didn't remove his clothes and he went into the tub and he was playing in the bathtub. Okay. He was covered with bubbles. Full of bubbles are there on his body. And he was not alone. One more thing is there. What happened? Mac, our little dog, was with him in the tub. See, children? Bob and his little dog Mac. Who is Mac? Their little dog. Their little dog also with him in the bathtub. Both were playing. So Bob also didn't remove his dresses. With the dress only he was playing. He is playing in the bathtub. Along with the bathtub, who was there? Their little dog Mac. Okay. Then next, Bob, what are you doing? I cried. Sister only, no? Sister is asking, Bob, what are you doing? I am giving Mac a bath, he said. What he replied to them? I am giving a bath to Mac. Along with Bob, the little dog Mac also there. They both are bathing in the bath. I yanked Bob and Mac out of the tub and called my mother. Yanked. Yanked means pulled sharply. Pulled sharply. His sister got angry by seeing him and along with him their dog also. That's why she got angry and she yanked him. That means pulled sharply from the bathtub. Was crying. Then I called my mother. They called their mother also. The next page, children. Did you see, children, this page picture? So his sister is pulling him from the bathtub. Then along with him, who is there? Their little dog. They both are enjoying in the bathtub. He is crying badly, no? Yeah. The next page. Mother dried them off. What happened? Mother put the towel and made to wipe them and made to dry. Then she asked Bob, how did you get into the bathroom? I closed the door like your sister closed the door. Then how did you get into the bathroom? Mother is asking to Bob. Bob replied that Bob reached upon his toes and turned the doorknob. How? Doorknob. He reached on the toes. His toes was keeping like. Okay, toes. Reach upon his toes and turned the doorknob. Sometimes we are also not reaching the height we will use when we are standing on our toes. Isn't it, children? Yeah. Same way, Bob also stood on his toes and opened the doorknob. Okay. I am a big boy. He is telling that I am a big boy. He said that with a happy smile. He smiled. Mother asked her, how did you get into the bathroom? He replied with a smile, I am a big boy. I was put on my toes. Then last night, what their father did, locked the bathroom door. What happened? Their father locked the bathroom door. Then he put the key where Bob can't reach it, very top or very high. Their father kept the key. Isn't it, children? Why they kept the key like? Bob should not reach and go into the bathroom alone. That's why they did like. Bob is a very naughty boy and he interested to be always in the bathtub. Much time he needs to spend in the bathroom tub. One day he bathed with the little dog Mac. So that's why their parents decided that to lock the bathroom door and kept the keys in very high. This is a story, children, about the Bob and the bathtub. He is very interested to be in the bathtub long time. Okay, children, whenever they are pulled out from the bathtub, he used to cry. Okay, children, that is the lesson. Read this lesson well, children. Thank you.